Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 3 to 5 outfits that tell a cohesive story. This sets pace and variation. Once chosen, scout a bright location and position your subject for flattering light. Make sure to avoid direct, harsh sun. Set your phone on a tripod and connect a small external mic so audio stays clear. Frame 16:9 and capture 30-60-second clips per outfit. As you shoot, cue simple movements. This produces natural footage and saves heavy editing later. Once you have base clips, vary shot types: wide for context, medium for fit, and close for texture. This gives the editor options. Make sure to include one dynamic movement per outfit, like a spin or walk, to add energy. Use a reflector or fill light to soften shadows, and add a subtle backlight for separation. Capture B-roll of labels, seams, and buttons. These small details sell quality. Keep clips short and usable so editing becomes a fast, creative assembly. You now edit for impact. Assemble a 15 to 30-second ad that leads with the strongest shot, builds with variety, and ends with a clear call to action. Shop now, link bio, or use code. Make sure music sits at around -12 dB so voice or captions remain audible. Add your logo and pricing overlay. If footage is shaky or unusable, stabilize or crop for tighter shots, or repurpose clips into high-quality stills or GIF. This saves time and preserves content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.